Check out these tires. These are awesome tires. Look at these tires. Awesome. So you can see the lumber rack is a really nice rack. These toolboxes, you got the big compartments, the small compartments. Oh, he got me some new locks there, so I can install new locks here. And this pops out. Oh, the middle pops out too. That's nice. New tires all the way around. It's really nice. Very nice. Doors, I need to work on the doors, I guess, a little bit. Okay. It's interesting. Well, for $700, so there's a receipt in there that these tires cost $1,000, just under. So that's it. Praise the Lord. We got, oh, check this out. This lifts up too. Whoa, there's all kinds of stuff in there. Oh man, he's giving me all this stuff. Straps and stuff like that. What's that? Some new part. Anyway, I love it. James, thank you for believing in me. I think this is going to work out great. It runs awesome. I guess the engine was rebuilt, so